I'm Hayden Scott and I'm a knife maker. I make knives from my workshop at home in West Auckland. Yeah, my previous life I was a chef, did that for 25 years. But I had this knife making thing that I was doing and had been doing for some time. And so that transition from finishing that 25-year career and taking the plunge into full-time knife maker, I had been building up to that, but I still had to take a leap, and I didn't want to look back at my life and wonder if I could do it. I wanted to just try to do it. I guess how I came to be where I am, I think, started from this one real clear moment where I met a knife maker in Tasmania, making these beautiful handmade knives. I had never thought about how a knife was made before, yet had used one every day, and it was just like this new world of looking at things. I would say one of the biggest values I get from making knives is that I'm creating connection with people. I just think the more of that stuff we have in our lives, the better. I'm still that kid who's just stoked to be making things. That's what I really like about doing this, is that feeling never goes away.